Good morning student. Now today we are going to learn and write and trace numbers, name, spelling in practicing number book. Now open the book. In previous video we learned and wrote 61 to 70 numbers spellings. Okay, and today we are going to again learn and trace spellings of 71 to 80. Okay, so page number 3333. On the top you have to write down today's date. Numbers, names 71 to 80. Okay, now first we will trace 71 spelling. Capital S, small e, small v, small e, small n, small t, small y. This is the spelling of 70. Then trace spelling of 1, O-N-E, 1. So this is spelling of 71. Okay, now next 72. So trace first capital S, then small e, small v, small e, small n, small t, small y. This is the spelling of 70. Then trace two number spelling. T capital, W O small. So 72 number spelling. Now next 73. Trace first capital S, small e, small v, small e, small n, small t, small y. This is the spelling of 70. Then capital T, small h, small r, small double e, 373. Then trace 74 spelling. Write down capital S, small e, small v, small e, small n, small t, small y. 70. Then trace spelling of 4. Capital F, small o, small u, small r. This is the spelling of 74. Now this is the spelling of 75. So trace first capital S, small e, small v, small e, small n, small t, small y. 70. Then write down spelling of 5. Capital F, small I, small v, small e. This is the spelling of 75. Okay, then write down 76 spelling. Write down first capital S, small e, small v, small e, small n, small t, small y. This is the spelling of 70. Then trace spelling of 6. S capital, I small, X small. This is spelling of 76. Okay, then write down 77. SEVENTY. 70. SEVEN. This is the spelling of 7. So together we have to join. Then the spelling of 77. Capital S, small e, small v, small e, small n, small t, small y. This is the spelling of 70. Now spelling of 8. Capital E, small I, small g, small h, small t. This is the spelling of 78. Now 79. Okay, first trace capital S, small e, small v, small e, small n, small t, small y. This is spelling of 70. Then capital N, small I N, E. So this is the spelling of 79. Now number 80. Now first trace capital E, small I, small G, small h, small t, small y. This is the spelling of 80. Okay. Now we will write down without tracing numbers name spelling. So write down S E V E N T Y O N E 1. This is the spelling of 71. 72. S E V E N T Y T W O. This is the spelling of 72. S E V E N T Y T H R E 3. This is spelling of 73. S E V E N T Y F O U R 4. 74. S E V E N T Y F I V E. This is the spelling of 75. S E V E N T Y S I X 6. Spelling of 76. S E V E N T Y S E V E N 7. Spelling of 77. S E V E N T Y E I G H T 8. This is the spelling of 78. S E V E N T Y N I N E 9. This is the spelling of 79. Now spelling of 80. E I G H T Y. This is the spelling of 80. Okay student, like this you have to write down, repeat spellings, numbers, names again and again, and then write down. Writing should be properly, neatly. Okay, and first letter should be in capital letter. In 70 spelling of capital, and 1 to 9 spelling should be first letter. You have to write down in capital. Okay, writing should be neat and clean. Revise again and again spellings. It means you will learn. आपको बार बार रिपीट करना है तो आपकी स्पेलिंग्स जो है वो लर्न हो जाएगी, और प्रॉपरली आपको ट्रेसिंग करना है. शार्प योर पेंसिल एंड देन राइट डाउन. ओके, और फर्स्ट लेटर जो है आपको कैपिटल में ही राइट डाउन करना है. 70 का एस भी जो है वो राइट डाउन कैपिटल में ही करना है, और 1 से लेके तो 9 तक के स्पेलिंग वाला फर्स्ट लेटर भी है जो है वो कैपिटल में ही राइट डाउन करना है. ओके, एंड learn the spelling, click the photo very properly and send on the group. We will meet next video. Bye bye student.